morning, dears. Next chapter we have properties of triangles. All of us we know there are 6 types of triangle according to side 3 and according to angles there 3. According to side, scalene triangle, all 3 sides are different. Isosceles triangle, 2 sides are having same length. And equilateral triangle, all the 3 sides are equal. This you are learning from class 5 onwards. Now according to the angle we have 3 type of triangles. Acute angle triangle. If a triangle, we know there are 3 angles in a triangle. If all the 3 angles are acute angle less than 90 degree, then the triangle is known as acute angle triangle. Second is obtuse angle triangle. One of the angle of triangle, if it is obtuse, means more than 90, it is obtuse angle triangle. And if one of the angle of a triangle is 90 degree, means right angle, then it is known as right angle triangle. Is it? This is already given in your book and you know it from earlier classes also. Then the sum of all the 3 angles of triangle is sum of all the 3 angles of triangle is equal to 180 degree. Is it? Now next we have altitude and median. Always we get confused what is altitude and what is median. Just example, if there is a triangle, a straight line from the vertex to the opposite side, if it makes 90 degrees angle, then it is known as altitude. Now this is a triangle, a line bisecting this base into 2 halves, then this is known as median. Clear? Altitude is a compulsory, they will be making 90 degrees angle at the base, and median will divide the base into 2 halves. In isosceles triangle, median is altitude. If these 2 sides are equal, a median constructed from the vertex divides the base and makes an altitude only in isosceles triangle. Altitude and median is same, but other it is not. Okay, so do not get confused about the median and altitude. Then the third property we have, the exterior angle of a triangle is equals to the sum of interior opposite angle. Now when we talk about a triangle, my dears, there are 3 interior angles, 1, 2 and 3. Now this is known as exterior angle. Now, and this is the angle which is connected to exterior angle is known as interior adjacent angle, and these 2 angles which is not connected is known as interior opposite angle. Okay, this both. Now if the triangle, this is exterior, so this will be interior adjacent and this 2 will be interior opposite. Is it, my dear? And this is interior adjacent. So it depends on the triangle where the exterior angle is formed. Now always the exterior angle is equal to sum of exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. It means angle 1 plus angle 2 will be equal to angle 4. Is it? Now why it is, that is also I am saying you. Just example, instead of writing angle 1 and 2, I am writing this is 50 degree, this is 70 degree. So what does this angle belongs? 70 plus 50, 120, so this is 60 degree. Now this and this makes a straight angle, so this will be 120 degree. Now if this is 120, sum of this 2 is 120. because this is common now. This sum is 180 and this sum is 180. Now this is common, so sum of these two will be equal to sum of exterior. So this is only sum of interior opposite angle is equal to exterior angle. Okay, I think this much is enough for this properties. Now come to the exercise. It says if the measures of two angles of triangle is 52 degree and 78 degree, find the measure of third angle. Now exercise 12.1. Sum of measures of two angle is given. What will be the measure of third angle you need to find? Measure of two angle is measure of two angles are 52 degree and 78 degree respectively. So third angle would be 180 degree minus 52 degree plus 78 degree. 180 degree, 130 degree, 50 degree is the third angle. It is question number 1. Question number 2, it says the angles of triangle are 2x minus 7, x plus 25 and 3x plus 12. Find the measures of the angles. Now here the angles are given in the term of x. We need to get the value of x as well as the measurement of angles. Angles of triangle are 2x minus 7, x plus 25, 3x plus 12. We know 2x minus 7 plus x plus 25 plus 3x plus 12 is equal to 180 degree. Now we shall add it up. 2x plus x plus 3. 2x plus x plus 3x minus 7 plus 25 plus 12 is 180. 6x minus 7 plus 20, 37 is equal to 180. 6x plus 30 is equal to 180, or 6x is equal to 180 minus 30. I am coming up. So 6x is equal to 150, x is equal to 150 by 6. X is equal to 25 degree. Now the first angle, it was 2x minus 7. Is it, my dear? So that will be 2 into 25 minus 7. 50 minus 7, 43 degree. Second angle, x plus 25. So 25 plus 25, 50 degree. Third angle, 3x plus 12. So 25 into 3 plus 12. 75 plus 12, 87 degree. When you add 43, 50 and 87, you are getting 180. So this is question number 2. Question number 3 is a homework. One of the angle is given, another two angles are equal. So what will be the sum of other two angles will be 180 minus 110 divided by 2. Question number 4 we shall do now. Question number 4, it says one angle of triangle is 65. Find the remaining two angles if their difference is 20 degree. So let the first angle be x. So second will be x plus 20. Let the smallest angle question number 4. Let the smallest angle of triangle be x. So second angle is x plus 20. A given angle is 65 degree. Not smallest, you can write let one of the angle be. Let the first angle be x, because we do not know now. The 65 can be also smallest, we do not know now. So another second angle is x plus 20, given angle is 65. So we can write it now. First angle, second angle, third angle is equal to 180, my dears. 2x 85 is equal to 180, or 2x 180 minus 85, 2x 95, or x is equal to 95 by 2, x is equal to 47.5 degree. So therefore second angle, first angle x 47.5 degree, second angle x plus 20. So 47.5 plus 20, 67.5 degree. So when you add, you will get all the three angles. This is question number 4. Question number 5 is a homework. One of the acute angle of right triangle is 49. Find the other acute angle. So right angle triangle means one angle is 90 degree, one angle is 49 degree. Other angle will be 90 minus 49. Is it? So 5 and 6 you have to do it as homework. Question number 7 I will be sending you as PDF, or maybe we can discuss tomorrow. For today you just leave it up to you. You complete up to 6. Tomorrow we'll be doing 7 and all. Okay. Thank you, dears.